Alright, so today it's raining out. So there's not really much to do besides sit inside, talk smack, and install some parts. So let's see what we got here. Got the sweet microfiber towels. Harbor Freight special, like $8. Actually, might have got those from Walmart. Don't remember. But we did get a new tow line because mine is about 13 inches long. What's going on here? Pull in, rope recovery. Wow. That was almost as hard as Doug was on Leo. That was a new fair lead and everything. Don't make fun of my tools. I've had this since I was about 16 years old. What is this? Oh my god, would Walmart install this too? I got an oil change at Walmart yesterday. I paid for fully synthetic and it was $100. And look at the receipt. They give me Super Tech everything. Never going there again, which I never should have, but I was desperate. This is harder than it is for Doug to try to find a new cameraman. Turns out Jay's not that bad of a guy, and I'm an asshole. Wait, I can't say that. But there it goes. She's gone. On to the next thing. Alright, so today we got 100 subscribers. Finally hit it. And we invited a special guest over, my first subscriber, aka my brother. And he brought a sweet surprise for us, so let's go see what it is. Supposedly, he's got this brand new Polaris that's supposed to be better than my Scrambler. We'll see what he's got. Dude, that thing is sick.
05 Polaris Phoenix.
Fire breathing dragon.
Biggest lemon I've ever purchased in my life. Yep. Replaced the choke, the carb, the starter, the battery.
Wheeling machine.
Can't kickstart it. Somebody stripped it.
Alright, let's roll it in.
You got a jump pack?
Yeah. Let's check this thing out. Custom. Does nothing.
Yep.
How do you put it back?
You don't.
Can't. Alright, we'll leave that there.
Perfect.
Right. Let's do a jump pack.
Dude, I'm a certified electrician. Ready to do.
Oil. Aww, nice batteries, dude.
Okay.
Ah! You just smacked it turned on. Heck yeah, dude. Hear that? Heck yeah.
Oh, shit.
No, it's good to go. Alright, let me fire up this mini bike. See if we can get her going. Hopefully. Unless the kids busted it. What am I doing here? No problem. Turn the hat backwards quick. We're good to go. Put the bike down. And neighbor's gonna be real pissed off. One hand. One hand and go help the other hand. Where's this light? Oh no. Oh no, I died. Oh no. He's gone, he's leaving me. Dude, I can't see nothing.
Yeah.
This light is pointed at the sky. Oh, there we go. Just a little loose. Alright.
Nothing.
Here, you take this.
And drive this?
Yeah.
Okay. No idea what I'm doing.
Alright, found a solution. I'm gonna fall over. Mini bike pushing the Phoenix down the road. I'm gonna crash. Look at this. This is was a workout. Got it back. You want some help? Here, let's steer. How about that? Watch out for the sick GMC, dude. Perfect. All right, what do you think about the Phoenix?
She's a top.
She's a top.
Yeah.
It's got a Coleman lantern for a headlight.
Oh man.
Lemon City, dude.
Need a couple more beers.
Yeah. Trail sodas, dude, not beers.
Trail sodas.
Can't say that. Perfect.
Come on, boy.
Hey, you balding? Just like your Uncle Jay?
For sure. I'm the first to do everything.
That's hilarious.
First to bald. First
What?
side by side. First crotch rocket.
That's because you're older.
Right. But I'm the first.
Yeah, okay. Well, you were here first, too, so.
You said hair first?
Yeah. I still got hair. Kind of. It's all gray, but.
You don't want to see his hair.
No, you don't. All right, let's do something. I don't know. Let's set this up somewhere. I don't even know how to change the oil, dude. I haven't looked at it. I don't know where the oil filter is.
We're gonna figure it out.
All right. This way. Do I even fit underneath here? R.I.P. RZR hoodie. Oh, it's right here, dude. All right. I need my oil pan that's outside.
Outside.
Yeah, it's out front. And
Okay.
and I need some Torx bits. It's probably 235, 240. Where's the plug in? Who are you looking at? Huh?
Ton of room for activities.
Yeah, I know. Real cram, dude. I need a bigger garage. Alright, that's good.
Dude. Professional helper.
You're the best ever. That's
So
why you were
good.
getting 25% stock.
Where do I find a rat, kid?
Oh, that was the copper thing right there. The dirty one. Yeah, whatever. You don't know, give me the other yellow one. We got a ration around here, dude. We're not rich like the blog. Ah! Yeah, dude.
Brand new.
Tighter. 12 foot-pounds, dude. That's
got-
about it right there. Perfect.
You got a torque wrench?
Yeah, right here.
Perfect.
Wait, actually, there, yeah, right here.
Found it.
Yeah, I found it underneath the machine. Good thing these are all put away right. Dude, kids. It's all their fault. Even if they didn't touch it, it's still their fault. I don't even have kids. Oh my gosh. You need an actual oil filter wrench to get this off.
Are you serious?
Pretty much, yeah. Do not fit your hands in there. Dude, this guy's bombed. Alright. I need to find something. What am I looking for? Oh, this. This is all I got. This thing is not gonna fit in there.
Make it work, dude. I believe in you.
Alright. This thing is from Vietnam. 1940.
James way. For sure.
1941.
Baby bash, baby gash.
Little baby gash. Where?
Exactly. Right there.
What are you complaining about?
No tools. It's the housing.
That's what it's like being poor, man. Ain't got no money to do nothing. $20,000 toy, no tools to fix it. I gotta come in there and see what's going on here.
Hello? See? Gotta hook it on there.
This is kind of ridiculous.
You see this? Hook me on there. Can you see
I
it?
can't hook you on nothing. Hooked on phonics.
Dude. I'm such a mechanic.
You're a huge mechanic, dude.
I'm a mechanic.
You're the best ever. Show the people what you use.
Yep. Show the people what it is.
Show the people.
There it is.
Ah, yeah.
1992 Cobalt.
Dude, that's at least a 2002. Thing's brand new from Lowe's.
Yeah.
18 years ago.
Showbolt.
All right. It only took us 2 hours to do the first part of the oil change. Hopefully it doesn't take as long to do the rest. Just put oil on it.
Just gotta put oil on it.
Yeah.
The wrong amount.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's put the wrong amount of oil in. And I'll overfill it. Just blow it up. Hand 'em over, dude. We jamming? Oh, wow. 4.5 hours later, oil change is done. And I think we should take this thing out. All right, I'm gonna end this right here because we're about to be in no condition to film. Thank y'all for 100 subs. Let's see what else. Oh, we got merch now. It's at localriders.com. And go on and get yours, and we'll be back.
Got snacks.
There he is, snacks.
I didn't know what I wanted. We got Pringles, Doritos, hot fries. These are the best, obviously.
All right, let's go have a good time.
All right.
Wave goodbye, dude.
All right, man.
Night vision engaged or no?
Yeah, night vision is engaged. $7,000 piece of equipment, no night vision. Okay. Can't see anything. Perfect. Yeah. Wheelies. Let's put the lights in the air. Yeah. Come on.
Sick.
Killed it.
That's it.
Let's go to bed.
All right.